Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today we are doing Elf on the Shelf makeup look. As you can see, I hope it's giving Elf. I can't really tell, but yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look and all the details, keep on watching. All right, y'all, it is Christmas Day, so we are doing Elf on the Shelf today. I've got my elf ears right here from Amazon. First, I need to block out my eyebrows. I'm using the Elmer's glue. I coat my eyebrows, so we're gonna go against the growth of the hair. Very generous, very generous. And then with the growth, then I'm gonna take a spoolie, lay them down, and then I'll do 2 more layers. We're gonna let each layer dry in between fully before we move on to the next one. Second layer, we don't have to go against the hair for the second and third layer, just going with the hair. All right, last layer. And then when this one dries, we will set with some translucent setting powder. I'm using this one by You Can Be. It came with my Athena palette that I ordered off of Amazon. Now I'm going to take my foundation shade. I'm using Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in Deep 74 Warm to make myself bald. Now I'm gonna set that as well with the same powder. Still using the same powder. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and map out the eyes. So we're gonna draw the eyes on instead of using my eyes. Okay, so I don't know if you can kind of see the lines that I did. I did like the outline of the eyes and then the iris and the pupil. Is that right? So we're gonna leave this and move on to foundation and like the rest of the face, and then we'll come back to the eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with the same foundation. I'm gonna take a smaller brush to go along this line. All right, now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand. I did highlight. All right, now I'm taking my One Size powder to set. All right, now I'm going in with bronzer. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer in Laguna 8. All right, now I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna use the Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna use the red shade. I just defined the cheeks a little bit with a brown eyeliner pencil. All right, now I'm taking the Mayron makeup palette. We're gonna use white, black, and brown to do the eyes. All right, I'm gonna do a little white dot. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. I might have to darken up this brown. I ended up switching the brown to this LA Girl Pro Concealer because the brown in the Mirror Makeup palette wasn't dark enough. But this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. But I think I need something even darker than that. I don't know if I have anything darker, but we'll see. But I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. All right, both eyes are done. I ended up going over the brown with just a super dark brown shadow because I couldn't find like a concealer or anything. So now we're gonna do the final details, which is the eyebrows. I actually did not contour my nose. Let me do that. All right, we're gonna draw on the eyebrows. I just have this dark brown eyeliner pencil, same pencil I use here. I was sampling this for my website, but we're gonna draw on the eyebrows. All right, now we're going to draw on the hair. I'm still gonna use this, so we're just gonna do a swoop. All right, now we're gonna do all the little white details so I look, you know, plastic. All right, now we're gonna do the red lip. I'm actually gonna conceal my top lip so it's not, you know, there. So the lips can be smaller. So I'm just gonna, well, actually I'm just gonna use my foundation shade. All right, I got this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is the shade Heartbreaker. And we're gonna do the lip. It's like a cutesy. Like that. It's like a type of shape, and then I'm gonna conceal the rest. All right, and now we're gonna take that brown pencil again, but very lightly make some little smile lines. And I'm actually just gonna follow the ones I have. All right, oh, I forgot the white on the hair. Let me do that. Okay, and I think we are done. I'm gonna put my hat on, and then I'm gonna put my little white collar, which I'm just gonna cut up some paper, and we'll be done. Y'all, why do I look like Tyler Perry? Okay, let me put these ears on. So glad they had brown, because I was not trying to paint one. Y'all, and this is the finished look. What do we think? I can't see, but I hope it looks good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment any suggestions or anything you might want to see from me, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Oh, and Merry Christmas.